Surprise, surprise. The gang's in the house. What's up, man?
What up, dude?
We got KC in the house. What's up, brother? What's going on? We got Big Chris in the house. What's up, buddy?
What's up?
Put it in right there. Put it in, put it in, put it in, put it in. Bam! Big Chris. We got my boy right here. What's up, Doug?
What's up?
My boy Cooper. And the man of the hour, Mr. Dave, the chain man. Look at that.
Yo.
Chains will make them bands, or whatever the fuck you want to call it. Anyways, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel once again. It's been a minute, but we're here. We're gonna do it. Today's gonna be an exciting day. We are going to be removing this engine from its transmission, getting it ready, and trying to, what are we doing? Putting it in there, right?
I try. We're putting that bitch in there.
We're gonna put the transmission in with dry shaft and everything, and start moving this thing forward so that we can go ahead and try to get this thing done before, hopefully, June 15th, which is Mercado. We'll see about that. We're not gonna push our luck, but we're gonna try. So stay tuned in. Today's gonna be a fun day, and a lot of fuckery, and a lot of curse words, and a lot of fun and beer. So here we go. What's up, bud?
You talking about this bolt here?
No, that bracket right there is the main source, so we gotta find a bolt for that. Give me a second. What'd you say?
I wore my pretty big 2 changes Speedo for you today. It's my lucky one.
The second one was wobbling, so I said, fuck it, let's just have the one that bites hard. This chain is rated for about 5,000 pounds, so we're good.
Oh yeah,
Bring it back down
100%.
again.
Hey, what's up, brother?
What's up?
Oh, perfect song.
Up.
Yeah, it is.
Yo, what's up, everyone? We have successfully removed the engine and transmission from the trailer, and we have successfully put the old engine on the trailer so I can get rid of it and put it in the backyard because I am tired of having it up here. Come over here and show what we got. So this is the L2080 flat top piston engine that I bought. Come over here to this side. Currently is running on 550cc injectors, LS1 coils or LS coils, electronic distributor, and it's got a T3 T4 turbo with a stock manifold. All this crap is coming off, and we're gonna go in with full Pro Tuner parts, complete GT30 turbo, exhaust manifold, downpipe, intake manifold. We're doing a full Pro Tuners build because that's the way we're gonna do it. A lot of good parts in this engine. This engine is actually fresh and good. It's a healthy engine. Yay! And yeah, Puerto Rican. And
What's wrong with Puerto Ricans?
get out of here. Puerto Ricans are my brothers.
Good answer.
Of a different mother.
Good answer.
Anyways,
Smart answer.
kick your ass out of here. All right, anyways. Yeah, so back to what we're talking about. So we got all the wiring. This is a harness for a, what is it? A Megascore 3X. And it's already been, you know, pretty much installed, pre-installed. Just got to figure out some of the wiring, which has been labeled already by our boy. It's Z-God, which is Mr. Mike. So we're pretty much set up. Now we took off the transmission and we're going to try to install the transmission into the engine bay. Sorry, into the car with a dry shaft, everything, put everything together so it's already there and done. Then I'll move on to the rest of the project. So stay tuned in. Let's keep going. Somebody, hey, hang on, somebody has to go. Go ahead. I got you. Oh, fuck you. Come on. Oh, down. Ready? Down. Got it? You got it. Hold it. Come back a little more. No jacks?
Need somebody in the front.
Yeah. Need a jack?
Come forward a little bit towards the front of the engine. You got it up?
All right, so we got the Borg Warner T5 inside, mounted up. We actually fucked up and we had to remount the mount because we put it the wrong way. The transmission was popping out too much forward. We measured the distance from the tranny to the mount bracket and it was off. So that's done already. Now we're gonna tackle the drive shaft. We gotta take the coupler piece off the differential from the regular 5-speed and put the one from my rear end turbo one that's in the backyard so that we could place it on the drive shaft because the bolts and everything's bigger on that bracket, the U-joint bracket, whatever. Right now we're having some barbecue. We got Chef Chris in the house. We got Josh in the house. Cooper drinking water. And look at these sexy babies. If you want to leave this open, it's better.
Nah.
Because you see the flames here, it will burn it up. You turn this one off?
No.
All right, so we gotta keep it low. If not, I'll burn the shit. See how much fire is fucked up? Yeah, we're here. We're quality control. We're here, and it's damn hot in Florida. Fucking crazy, guys. All right. Well, let's keep going. Alright, we're starting to bag her up. Get her ready for paint. Gotta scuff it down one more time, blow it all off. And prime her up and spray it up so that we could put that bad boy in. Got our boy Josh right here. He's fucking concentrating, doing that final touch, that finish. Banana, back to the bone, back to the bone.
It had like 20, 30,000 blood pressure, like this shit. And I was like, something's going on here. So I gave an oil change and I put a KA oil.
Well, we got our boy Josh, the specialist.
All I know is that
Sick clown. What is it? Sick clown what?
Easy as fuck to work on.
There you go. Sick clown on Instagram.
Yeah, oh yeah.
He's a fucking master. Look at this. He's got this whole car masked up completely from the front to the back. Professional style.
Yeah.
20 years of experience.
I know, I pulled out 2 of the TX twin turbo motors.
Woo! All right, so
Filming?
yeah, what's up, brother? Go ahead, you can talk all the shit you want.
No, I'm back.
So we got the turbo manifold and the intake off, and this is what we got. So everything looks pretty clean in here. Car was running actually really good. It wasn't rich at all. The tune we restricted, I know. So everybody knows it is a non-turbo head. It's got fucking liners and shit. Whatever, who gives a fuck is what we got. Is what we're gonna use. Like it, take it, or leave it, whatever.
Give me the heads for a week, I'll pour them.
No, thank you. I don't got that kind of time.
A week?
Nah, listen, if I'm gonna do something, I'll get the turbo head I have in there, and I'll send them to Lamont and tell them, do me this head, and I'll put it on here.
Give me the turbo head. I'll take it to my house and do it.
Say that again?
Give me that head over there. I'll take it to my house and do it. I just need it for a week.
You want to take the head to your house?
Me and Rizzo will port that out, no problem.
All right, no, the deal is that head was underwater. You see it? So it cannot be. Yeah, it has to be taken to Lamont. Nah, you good, bro. It has to be taken to Lamont and have them completely go over it. It has to be completely disassembled and then put back together. Then I gotta get earpiece studs and a head gasket. So then the project will have to stay here for a while longer.
Like a whole week.
Yeah, because Lamont will take like a week with it.
No,
Might turn into 2 weeks with the anxiety attack.
you.
Yeah.
I told you, just give me and Rizzo the keys to the garage. You'll wake up one day and you'll be like, holy shit, it's done.
Yeah. You guys hearing this shit? This is the kind of shit
Pick
that I
up
get.
valve, laughing, compounded.
Motherfucker.
Hi, buddy.
All right. KC, he went to do something. We'll be back. We got George in the house. Bird drinking is good for you.
My Japanese homeboys.
Hey, none that could man. Oh, look at, damn! You're talking about opening bottles. That's a spin-off, dude. What are you doing?
Oh, man.
That's a spin-off.
You might want to throw that out.
You might want to not drink any more beer. Chris went to open a screw off as a fucking popper and broke the bottle on the ground.
Took the whole head off the fucking bottle. Oh, that sucks. That's what we're. Are you talking to Japanese guys?
Yeah, you know how to talk Japanese?
Yeah, say something.
I say thank you. Say it.
Shishi.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. You are.
Hura.
America.
You know,
I wish I knew how to speak. Say sticker.
I should have went and bought some Sapporo beer. I couldn't find any. What? Señor.
Ah, big boy.
Bingo
Hey,
boy.
hola.
¿Qué pasa, señorita?
Thank you. Arigato. Arigato. Arigato.
Arigato. All right, bro. We out.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray this base coat clear, but from this point down, we're gonna spray it and we're gonna rattle can it black. Black it all out.
So from the frame down.
So from the frame rail down, we're going to be rattle can black. From the frame rail up all the way around is going to be a nice base primer. After we fix some of the rust,
Silver.
then we're going to be a nice silver high gloss with a
match
nice
the car.
clear coat to match the exterior.
There you go.
Yes.
Let me get those rubber mounts.
And cut.
All right.
We got a lot of taping.
All right. Well, everyone's gone. Got the engine covered up already up here in front so that I can go ahead and move forward. Look at this, man. It's incredible. What a great day. I'm so thankful to have great friends that, you know, are willing to participate and help out in my journey. You know, we all work together. We all hang around together. We eat together. We drink together. That's what friendship is all about. You know what I mean? Brotherhood. Very thankful for everyone. You know who y'all are. Big Chris, George, fucking Josh, Cooper, Dave, man, you really came through, brother. Thanks for coming out and really participating in all the tools and stuff. KC brought the music, the beer, man. All the boys came out, had a great time, even Rizzo and the kids. But definitely a great journey, stories for life. And this thing is looking amazing. Look at this. So I just gotta finish primering it up some more. I gotta buy some more primer, sand down, get everything ready, move some stuff out of the way, mask and tape some more stuff. And then I'm gonna do the Pro Tuners build series of all the parts on this. Slowly take my time and record everything for you guys on how to install it and all that good stuff. And then put her in and say, hell yeah. All right, y'all, I'm out of here. It's starting to rain. Thank you for watching this video, for liking, subscribing. Please keep helping me out with the channel. You know, share with your friends. It's all about the journey of one guy and his car, with everything else that comes with it. Friendship, cruising, you know, all the dots and stuff, the fun stuff, and other cars too. We hang around with Subarus, you know, Datsuns, Nissans, Toyotas, whatever. We never care. But anyways, all right, I'm out of here. I'm getting wet, so I'll catch you guys later. Thank you. Have a good one.